Experts in the renewable energy sector have lauded the Nigeria Energy Transition Plan as the identified finance, knowledge gap, and enabling business environment as setbacks that must be overcome. They said this in Ibadan at the TechFind Partners Training organized by Next Gen Energy in collaboration with TechFind Limited. In his address, David Arinze, a program officer of Off-Grid Energy Diamond Development Initiative, commended NextGen for continually breaking bounds in their capacity to inspire and impact future generations of professionals within the sector.
This plan is absolute. The question now is how are we implementing them, how are we tracking them, how are we financing it? Because bearing in mind that we're recovering from a pandemic and we also have a global economic challenge as well. Nigeria has taken the relevant steps, in ensuring that we have a roadmap that can guide our activities going forward.
Arinze, who is a renewable energy professional, noted that the government, private sector, clean energy companies, and Nigerians have their roles to play so that Nigeria can achieve its energy transition in 2060.
As an organization, they have continued to create a relevant opportunity, for people to get to know the trends, receive training, receive relevant guidance, on how to navigate this ever-evolving clean energy space which we have in the country. Flagship training today, which is focused on mini-grid design and a couple of other aspects, which would ensure that those who go through this training can better improve their capacity and capabilities to be better energy practitioners.
One of the facilitators, Mr. Olawale, an engineer and consultant, Energy Integrated Systems and Projects Limited, said Nigeria has been doing so well in renewable energy, but still has quite a long way to go.
With this training, we can be rest assured that over 60 or 80 dealers would understand better how to size systems. We also need the place of the government to ensure the policies are put in place. Yes, a lot of efforts have been put in place, but then we need so much more to be done. We need to swing into action in terms of more fundings for developers who are willing to go into renewable energy. We need policies that will encourage it, that will promote enabling the environment, such as policies around carbon credits, policies around incentives of shipment importation, duties on solar systems.
Daniela Foloyan, one of the beneficiaries of the free training and a renewable energy engineer, said the training would improve his knowledge and provide opportunities for networking and collaboration with others in the industry.
They've been able to get us acquainted with the newer technology and then to educate us, because there are a lot of perceptions which most of us engineers usually make when we're designing.
Another beneficiary, Benedict Oguntimehin of B-Tech Energy, said this kind of training would only help dealers like himself to get updated and get better with the renewable energy industry.
This kind of training would only help dealers like myself to get updated and get better with the renewable energy industry. So on a larger scale, it's really going to help to grow the industry well.
Also, Dacosta Oladele, a renewable energy engineer and installer, said that training separates quacks from experts in the field, as it equipped TechFind partners with hands-on experience in renewable energy.
It helps us to understand the product better, helps us to understand the quality of service we can render to our customers, gives us more education on how to provide solutions to them and solve issues.
Mr. Inioluwa Adekunle, a sales executive of NextGen, said the free training was an effort to add value to the renewable energy industry, help reduce unemployment, and address the energy crisis in the country.
We are training them on product sizing, for instance, solar inverter sizing. We're training them on mini grids, basically, which of course is a new trend of renewable development in Nigeria.